Seedance 2.5 can now generate 30-second clip in 1080p and take up to 30 image references in a single generation. So obviously, I gave it all 30, all inside one continuous 30-second clip in 1080p. No cuts, no hiding mistakes between the shots. I wanted to see if Seedance can actually remember all 30 images there, or if it completely falls apart. I'm gonna be doing this entire test inside Higgsfield AI because 1080p version is already available there. And if you are a new user, you can get 5 totally free 30-second Seedance 2.5 generations. But hurry up, this offer holds only for about a week. And now, let's do our test. I'm here on Higgsfield website and I will go to Cinema Studio. Here I need to create a new project where I will click and it will be called Red Carpet. And let's create it. Now here you can already see you have a lot of options here, but now we are only focusing on Seedance 2.5. So only thing that I will turn on is audio. It will be 30 seconds, 16:9, it's 1080p. And now I need to add references. You can see it already indicates up to 50 references, but that's in total with videos and audio. Now we are only focusing on 30 images, which is already quite enough. Let's get them in. We can click Add References, Upload Media, and here I have all my 30 images. I can select all and hit Open. Now you can see all the images are uploaded and it needs to do a quick check for protected content. I try to pick only images that shouldn't cause any problem, but you never know. There is still one in checking. And now we are done, and as you can see, every single image was okay, so there are no problems with it. And you can see it's all some sort of a character. It could be a person, male, female, could be a robot, could be alien. And also I mixed in some medium changes because there is some 3D portrayal of character, something that is way more stylized. I really wanted to do a proper test. So for that I need a cool prompt because this one will really need something strong. And I already prepared one such. I will paste this in. And here you can see it's quite long. I will share that in description so you can try it for yourself. But the main part happens in the beginning. You can see it prompts model to create a single continuous 30-second cinematic shot with absolutely no cuts, transition, time jumps, anything like it. And now only thing we need to do is to add our reference images in. So first, location is mentioned. I will use this image as a reference. You can see it's 1 out of 50. Then it continues with presenting idea about video being my point of view as if I am the celebrity walking down the red carpet. Next, there is reference image named Bodyguard, which is this strong fella. And below it, use all 28 supplied character references as individual people in the crowd lining both sides of red carpet. It should preserve identity and they should simply cheer me as I walk down the red carpet. So I will simply start to add every remaining image there. This one, this one, this one. But there was really one which didn't pass the eligibility check, so I needed to change it and we will use the last character. Here you can see it actually shows 30 out of 50 references. Remaining 20 are for videos and audio, but we are not doing that. However, since these are only uploaded references, not actually created characters and the interface, I will give it a little hint. Image with red carpet, so it can better identify those two, which is location and bodyguard. Rest is kind of obvious. Bodyguard is back-facing, strong, tattooed male. And now we are done. Let's hit generate and then we will expect how much it actually remembered. Here, as you can see, it already started to generate the video. Before that, it did some processing, it did some checking. However, everything went smooth, so now we only need to wait. And now we are rolling because I was almost afraid it won't get generated. I was blocked twice, which I'm not sure why it happened, since it verified all the images. Probably there was something in a prompt, shuffled the words there, but luckily one was generated, as you can see here. So let's watch it first, and then I will do a second pass where I will check how many characters I can actually notice there. I have counted it, and the results are this. To be honest, I must say that I didn't really expect to find all 30 images there. It's maybe too much. And also, since this is a scene where there is a huge crowd of people, I might have maybe overlooked someone, or that character was there, I just didn't notice it. However, these numbers that it was able to do with one continuous 30-second take, for me that's astonishing. Consider this setup to be pretty difficult task. Like, really, it is difficult. I have worked with AI video from when it was in diapers, and I know such a scene is a killer. But in reality, I doubt you would use 30 references in one generation. But you can see that even with score, which was 21, it's pretty strong and reliable too. So that would be it. To be honest, I really like the video, how it generated it. And if you want to try it, don't forget there are some free generations for you waiting. Now, see you in the next video.